Ready to learn an amazing way to make money on the internet? How about earning $20 to $50 per email? With just a few simple steps, you can start making money through affiliate marketing using email marketing. All you have to do is copy and paste emails, and with just one click, an AI will send them. Affiliate program. The first step is to find an affiliate offer to promote. I recommend using an affiliate marketing platform such as Digistore24 or ClickBank. These platforms offer a wide variety of offers for you to choose from. Head over to Digistore24 and register yourself if you haven't. Click Register, now on the top, and fill out your information. Once your account is created, click Marketplace from the top, and you will be directed to this page. On the left, you can select a category to find offers related to it. I'm choosing health and fitness since a lot of people are attracted towards improving their health. Take a look at the list of offers provided. You'll see the commission price for each one. Scroll down and choose any offer you like. This one looks interesting. It's called NeuroZoom, which is a memory supplement. You can earn $72 through this offer whenever someone purchases it from your affiliate link. Now click Promote Now and get your affiliate link. After that, click the affiliate support page. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine earning $10,000 a month, not just as a dream, but as your reality. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month in the fastest, easiest, and free to least expensive way, then you need my 7 Steps to 6-Figure Blueprint. I've condensed years of expertise into a straightforward step-by-step guide. And that's your key to hitting that $10,000 mark. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now, resuming where I left off. It is a very helpful page for using free resources to promote your offer. On the top, click Email Swipes, and you will get about 4 email swipes that you can use for free. So let's check the first email swipe. As you can see, this email even has a subject along with the body, which means all you have to do is add your affiliate link and copy and paste it to an autoresponder, which will send it to the email addresses people have shared on your website. You can surely use these emails in the beginning, but since you have to send emails consistently, you might end up using them after a while. In that case, I have another option for you, Yara AI. Go to Yara AI, a fantastic tool for generating AI text. With one click, it creates original text for social media ads, articles, blog posts, website content, or emails. It is very simple to use. Create your account by clicking Start for Free and enter your email address and password. Then click Email, and you will find a list of different prompts. Each prompt will create an email for a specific purpose. Choose a prompt that targets your goal and click Generate Email. With just one click, it will create a professional email. You can create more emails following the same method and promote your offer. It's up to you to choose the email swipes that work best for you, whether it's from the affiliate product page or Yara AI. I suggest starting with the emails from the affiliate page in the beginning and then switching to Yara AI, email marketing tool. Now you need an autoresponder that can send these emails to the email addresses. For this, I have an excellent email marketing tool. Go to GetResponse, which is a platform to send emails. You can create your account for free. Click Sign Up Free and enter your details. Once your account is created, click Contacts and then click Create List. Enter the product name you are promoting. I'm typing NeuroZoom and click Create. You now have a list created in which you can add all the email addresses you collect from your website. To send an email, go to Tools and click Autoresponders. Then, click Create Autoresponder. This is where you have to set up a few things. Type your product name at the top and select the list on which you want to send emails. To add the subject line, go back to the affiliate page and copy the subject. Return to GetResponse and paste it here. In the Design and Content section, click Design Message. On the top, you will find blank templates. Select the blank one. After that, you have to create the layout. Because I want a simple layout to collect emails, drag the text block from the right to the center. You can see there is a text box. Go to the affiliate page again and copy the email. Then paste it into this box. You can edit the text as you like from the above options, but the most important thing is to add your affiliate link in the email. To do so, go back to Digistore 24 and copy the given link. Return to GetResponse and select this sentence. Click on the insert link icon and paste the link. Read the full email to make sure there aren't any mistakes, and click Next. Select the days when you want the email to be sent after people sign up. Type 2 and select all the days below. Scroll down and click Save and Publish. Your autoresponder settings will be saved, and GetResponse will send the email accordingly. Build website. The next step is to build a website or a landing page where people can sign up to receive emails regarding your offer. Go to Mixo, which is an AI-powered website launcher. It only takes a few seconds to create an incredible website. Click Get Started for free. In this box, you have to describe your offer. Type My offer is called NeuroZoom, and it helps improve brain efficiency. Click Generate Site, and it will start building the website. In a few seconds, your website will be created. You can see how good the website looks. Click Save and Continue, and it will ask to create your account. After that, it will direct you to this dashboard. Click on Edit Site. You can customize the text or buttons from the left bar if you want. Because it looks fine to me, I'm going to click Publish. Your website is live, and you can copy its link now. To check if it's working, click on the website link. Enter your email address and go to your dashboard. As you can see, your email address is shown here, which means your site is working, and I can even download the subscribers' email list. This is the strategy for collecting email addresses from your website and adding them to an autoresponder. Promote your offer. In the last step, I will share a unique way to drive traffic to your website for free. Go to the affiliate product page of Digistore 24, where you can find your product's images. To download the images, click Download Banners Pack here. Once you have saved the images on your computer, you can use them to upload to Pinterest or recreate them to have a unique look. Go to Canva, click on the bar, and type Pinterest Carousel Ad. You will have a white background right now. From the left, search for an image related to your product topic. Click on it and then drag its corners to fit the background. Add some text to make the design look better. Go to Text and click Add a Heading. Type Want a Stronger Memory and adjust its position. Your design is ready. Click Share and then download to save it. When you have the design, go to Pinterest. It is a powerful platform that is visited daily by millions of people. Click Sign Up to create your account. Then, click Create Pin. Upload the design you created on Canva. Click on this icon to create your board with your product's name. In the title section, type your email's subject line. For the link, go back to Mixo's dashboard and copy your website's link. Then paste the link here. Finally, click Publish. Now, anyone who sees this link will click it and submit its email address, which will be added to an autoresponder that will send promotional emails. We're wrapping up here, but don't go just yet. You see that video popping up on your screen? That's like the secret sauce to amplifying your income. I've laid it all out for you there. Give it a click, and let's dive into some more strategies that are as exciting as they are profitable. It's not just another video, it's your next step towards financial freedom.